Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Prayoga, present number 31, and I class 2 TPFL 1. I read the material personal letters. Personal letters is a text addressed to friends, family, or those closer to you. Personal letters you use relaxed language. You need to pay attention to the structure and way of writing personal letters. They will make your letters easier to understand. Structure, address, salutation, introduction, body, closure, complementary clause, signature. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there are mistakes. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.